morning, you guys. I hope you guys are having such a great day. We have a full Boston day planned today, and I am so excited. I think we're going to be starting off with coffee and breakfast at Tate. Tate seems to be quite highly recommended in these areas. There's tons of locations. I think just around our hotel alone, there was like 4 or 5 locations. I think we're gonna go to the one closer to Boston Common because we're gonna walk through Boston Common this morning with our coffee. Tell me that is not the vibiest thing to do in the city. But then also to our first pickup spot for the trolley is gonna be just across the park. So that's perfect. I did notice that I thought that their brunch was every day. Their brunch is, I believe, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, right, girls? Okay, so brunch is only Friday, Saturday, not Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So that was something, but their menus looked very, very similar. I will definitely say I am very thankful for that it's so close, but also too in our hotel there is a really good coffee shop, little bar. There's different food and stuff here. Even having the snacks in that was super, super helpful. So I'm not gonna chat your ear off too much today, but I'm gonna go ahead, jump outside, see how the weather is. It is gonna be raining today, definitely towards the later part of the day. So we all have our rain jackets on. I've changed my outfit a little bit to have like more weather-friendly shoes, but I'm hoping it doesn't interrupt us too much. We are also gonna have lunch at Quincy Market, which I was hoping that's when the rain was gonna hit because I'm anticipating us to be in there for a couple hours, but it's gonna be super fun. I'm super excited. I'm really excited for the food and the clam chowder and the lobster rolls today. It's gonna be a really fun experience. Good breakfast. I was really hesitant on trying the shakshuka, but it has been something that I've been really wanting to try for a very long time, and it was so good. So good. If you like Italian flavor, if you like a little bit of like flavor and seasonings and spice, I would definitely try it. It is different with the egg, but the egg just kind of melts right in, and it's more of a soft boiled egg. It's very, very, very good. It's very good. I love the flavor. Also, too, no, I'm not a big breakfast person. The other girls had breakfast sandwiches. One was on a croissant, one was on the sourdough. And those looked very good as well. I would highly recommend coming here. Also, too, I got 2 coffees. I asked for a honey almond latte, like, you know, at the Disney Resort, so you guys know I love so much and I have at home. And this one was a little bit different. I got more notes of lavender than I got almond, but it's still very good. But just as a walking around cup of coffee, I don't know if I would do that. But then I tried some of the other girls. The other girls got a caramel iced latte, and it was so good. So that's actually what I'm drinking now. Highly recommend. The coffee is great. There is a Starbucks across the street, and 2, there was a Dunkin' right down the road as well. I really liked it because it was very close to the hotel and in the park. So our plan is now that we're gonna go and walk through the park a little bit while it's still nice. It's a little gloomy outside, but the weather is beautiful. And then there's a couple other trolley stops that are over there too. But we're gonna kind of start the Freedom Trail and walk on, and then we can jump on to our first trolley stop. So don't worry, I'll bring you guys along with everything. But so far so good. And you guys, the food in this city, they always say it's so good, but it is above and beyond amazing. very cool experience. So just for price reference too, I told you guys I'd be more fluent and give you guys better ideas on prices on things. So we paid $30 because we used Old Town trolleys for our trolley system. And you guys, don't worry, I will have everything linked down below, what we did, the services that we used, everything will be in that info box. But we did get an $8 discount, or about an $8 discount for our tour that we just did for the Boston Tea Party. Listen, that was cool. That was really, really cool. It was very Disney history quality. If that makes any sense, if you guys are Disney people at all, you guys will understand the really cool reenactments and the storytelling and how lifelike everything was, and the crew and cast was absolutely amazing. I would definitely recommend it. Now I understand if you have a family of 4 or 6, a larger group that everybody's having to pay for, it does add up. However, this was a really, really cool one, and you guys look at the location. It's absolutely amazing. So we're about to go jump on the trolley again. Our trolley is just pulling up. The trolleys are a little busier because it is kind of a gloomier, rainy day. So I think people are staying on for a little bit longer too. We have been lucky though, and we were even all able to sit together. The trolleys though are going. There's still quite a bit. So I'm not too worried if we have to wait a little bit longer. It's absolutely no problem. And we're right next to the Children's Museum. It's right on the other side here, but hold on, we're gonna cross the street. But the great thing with that is that there's lots of trolleys. They have a lot of trolleys that are out today. So if you're not able to get on the first one that pops up, there's typically one shortly after. So we're at stop number 14, and we're gonna go to stop number 1, which is gonna be the Quincy Market area. We're not too hungry. It is about 12:35, so we're a little hungry. We could munch on something, but we've been snacking and munching all throughout the day. So I don't think we need too much to eat, but there's tons of really good food. There's tons of shopping. I'm really excited to see other things. Even the gift shop that was at the museum there was very, very cool. Some of their prices were a little high, but to be honest, I think they're pretty fair. The stuff is really good quality and very, very nice. course, we got into a little bit of shenanigans. The Christmas store, you guys, was actually awesome. They had beautiful stuff, beautiful stuff. I did get an ornament, of course, and then I looked at some of their Raz and Kurt Adler stuff. They even had the Raz elves. They were beautiful stuff. And then I broke an ornament and they were so nice about it. I would highly recommend them. And just for reference, this is Quincy Hall, and then this is kind of the street next to it. And all of these shops are absolutely fantastic. We did grab a couple things there. I will tell you too, I got a sweatshirt, a very nice, like really nice quality sweatshirt. It was about $65, which it is pricey, but if you guys know me, if you've seen my closet, you guys know I love me a sweatshirt, a crew neck sweatshirt. So I had to pick them up. I got little treasures for the kids as well.
stuff, little magnets and stuff like that are staples. I figured this would be a really easy place to find stuff, and we did. We found really, really good stuff. So we're gonna jump back on the trolley. I think we're gonna go just to the next stop, which I can't quite remember, but you guys will see here in a second. But yeah, the weather is kind of cleared up. It stopped raining. It's a little muggier, but still a really, really nice day. This food is absolutely amazing. I am having my first bowl of chowder. It is so creamy and delicious. I got the perfect size, so I would say this is a cup. It's the perfect size because it is very heavy and dense, but it is very good. A lot of the girls got a good little variety of things. Leslie and I are actually sharing a whole lobster together. We also got the crab cakes, which I'm going to try too. I'll tell you guys here at the end. But I've just tried my chowder, and it is so good. To be honest, I've never had chowder, but it's not fishy. It's very creamy. It's very balanced. I love it. I did also request a cup of lemons to try and add that citrus freshness, but it tastes very, very fresh. Leslie's so sweet. She's like, you need to show this. Look at how big this is. This is the medium. This is the medium size. Okay, so I think for price reference, it's about $60, but this is beautiful, beautiful. I'll be trying that here in a second, but it looks so good. Look at the cloth, you guys. So beautiful and good. I'm sure you guys saw it earlier, but it is just, it's dense. So I'm very excited. She knows how to try all the things. Listen, I've told you guys about Leslie before. She is an influencer on me of all the food things because she knows exactly what to order. I just tried the crab cake. It is very good. It is very heavily meaty. So I normally am used to more of a shell on a crab cake. This has more of a softer shell. And it's more like dense meat, but it is very, very good. Of course, not fishy at all. Beautifully done, but it has a softer outside and more tender filled with meat on the inside. The tartar sauce is also very good too. I do enjoy it, but yeah, you can see it's just kind of a more softer inside, but it is very good. Oh my god, so good though. It is so good. I feel we are like all back at what was the restaurant that we ate at Riviera? I'm having a brain fart.
Oh, I wouldn't know.
Topolino's?
You know.
Topolino's. I feel like we're having a Topolino's moment right now.
That right there.
So beautiful. Amber ordered the cod and fish, or the fish and chips. So good. So good, you guys. I'm even trying it without any tartar.
The tartar is so good.
The tartar is good. No, I had some of the crab cake. It's really well done. Again, very lightly battered, very thin. Has a nice little crunch though on some bigger pieces. It is very, very good.
Thank you for sharing with me.
No, thank you.
This, but
yes.
There's no way.
Well, because I wanted it too, but I'm like, I don't know if I can even like break it open in that. I'm so happy we shared because Leslie is doing all of the work and I'm reaping the rewards here. Look at this beautiful claw, you guys. It is amazing. Like literally all of this is meat. Dip it in a bit of butter. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna try the shrimp. This is my first time really trying the tartar sauce. Very good tartar sauce. Very good tartar sauce.
Like one of the best tartar sauces.
I don't know if you can hear us. We're raving about the food. Very good. 10 out of 10 recommend. I absolutely love it. I will say the chowder I'm really loving. The lobster tail I am loving. If you are a person that loves lobster, definitely recommend. If you are not, we're a hot mess. And we are not. I don't know if I would spend the money on that because the shrimp, you guys, is just as good. It is very, very good. Very meaty. I don't know a different way to explain that. Like I said, you guys, I would definitely recommend. It is very, very good. The quality, like I said, like even just like look at this little bit. Like it's very well done. The flavor is very good. If you're coming here at all, you need to try the seafood. Like I said, even if you're just like a shrimp person, the shrimp is very, very good. I would definitely recommend, but this is definitely one of the top places. Like I knew that I wanted to come here in Boston.